You've missed all the debris. Good for you.
Yeah.
That looks pretty good. Watch your fingers. Kind of line those lug nuts. Look at that. God dang, you're going to be on a pit crew. Now, if you want to try the drill gun, you can try it, but you got to go real slow, okay?
Yep.
So you want to try it just forward, but just go real slow. Yeah, like that. After you get used to this a little bit, that's what I do. And you'll feel it when it's working. And then go around when you're all on there and let it click. Now that's not an impact driver, it's just a drill, but it puts it on tight enough. Okay, the next step is we're going to go ahead and let down the car until there puts a little pressure on the wheels. And you do that by rotating the handle here real slow. Oh, slower. There, you're good. You get a little pressure on it, good. And do the fronts. And that goes real fast, so you want to put a little pressure because when we tighten these guys up, then
Already, I think it's already.
Yeah, you're on the ground. You're good. Okay, so let me show you how to set up the torque wrench now. Grab that. Yeah, back. Nope, this guy.
This one?
Yep.
All right.
And then we're going to adjust this. You know how to do a torque wrench?
Haven't done it since a while.
Okay, you got it. Okay, that's unscrewed. Okay. Now, you see where it says 120?
Mm-hmm.
When the edge of the thing gets to 120, if you hold that, I'll show you. And you never leave your torque wrench torqued up because it'll stretch the spring and become uncalibrated. Okay, so we get right to the 120 where the 0 is, and then we do 8 more, 128 right to the center line, right there. Okay? Then we tighten this guy up. This keeps the setting from moving, okay? Okay, let me show you, and then you can do the rest.
No, I think that's all.
Did we do that one already? Okay. Yeah, that's the one, okay. Okay, now go all the way around from that one. Go all the way around and just let it click. Don't stop when it clicks. Okay, that's all done. Now I do the front. Stop when it clicks. Remember, as soon as it clicks, quit putting pressure on it. If you're a little high, it makes it hard to push down on it. Rotate by hand. You can rotate the socket.
All right.
Okay, you're all rotated. That didn't take very long now, did it?
No. 10 minutes.
No. Okay, good deal. Put those covers back on and we're all done. That one jacks so fast you'll pinch the heck out of your finger.
I just be very careful in my hand. All right.
There you go. Any of this stuff, you could really hurt yourself. So, all right, good. So remember, put these handles up so you don't fall over them. And then you'll want to go ahead and get your stuff and bring it around. That big 24-inch breaker bar makes life easy.
Oh yeah. There's nothing touch leather.
No, that's right. The back wheel, actually, the brake of the back wheel will keep the wheel from turning, but not on the front wheel.
Pretty good.
All right, good work. All right, you know what to do. Yeah, looks good. The back a little more. There you go.
Think it's enough?
Yeah, heck yeah, you're good.
All right.
Now just take it off and set it down on its back. No, over here, to the side. There you go. Now you can, when you get the other one, you just bring it over and put it on. Perfect. And just roll it right on over and inspect it when you do. I had a nail in my one tires that I put on my Model 3, but it was a little tiny nail and it was at a real shallow angle. It didn't puncture anything.
In which car?
The blue Model 3 that I have.
Keeps it from rolling, no nothing.
You're good. Try to line it up before you put it on there. Trying to get the lug holes
I think it was too
squared
high.
away. Yeah, you're not lined up. Counterclockwise a little bit. There you go. Now just line it up. You should be good.
Something is not right.
If you can hang one of the lugs on there and then you can rotate the tire out a little bit. There you go. Get that top one on there. Watch your fingers now.
No.
We don't need to go to the hospital and get them reattached.
No.
There you go. Good work.
Sorry.
You can use the drill if you need to.
Sure.
Or you want to, I should say.
What's like that?
There's two sets of them, so
Yeah, one slow way, the other one the right way.
there you go.
This is training now.
Richard always prefers to put it on by hand. I don't blame him. After changing 4 or 5 sets of tires, it's in a day, it's easier with the drill.
Oh yeah.
But if you do it every blue moon, putting it on by hand is probably a good way to do it. There you go. I will have to say my Model Y is filthy in the tires from all that dirt in Wyoming.
But you got it wrapped in.
I need to go take it somewhere or wash it here. I just haven't. It's absolutely filthy.
I'll do it the fast way.
Makes me slow. Not too schnell. Richard uses his impact driver, where this is just a drill with a clutch. He uses the impact driver to do that, and that's fine too. That doesn't hurt anything. Okay, you'll need your red thing. There you go. And you got to drop it on the ground, just enough. Keep it from rotating. There you go. Dang, you're getting good.
That's kind of soft.
That's it. Okay, we've set the torque already, so you go ahead and should be 129.
It's maybe 128 and a half.
Could be 128 and a half. Could be plus or minus 10%. Take it easy until it'll click and then it stop. Because you can actually go past the torque if you don't stop when it clicks.
I thought it's not applying any torque anymore then.
It still applies torque. It just lets you know that you're at the measured torque. Uno mas.
Did I miss it? No.
Yeah. Oh, did you get that one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, just go all the way around.
All right.
All right.
Makes it 5.
Dang. I'll have to just call 1-800-MATT and you come over and change my tires.
Yeah, it's $5 a tire.
Hey, that'd be a deal. $5 a tire.
And your tools.
Nope, nope.
Oh, sorry, yeah.
Perfect.
That's it.
Okay, well now all you got to do is let it down and put on your covers and you're completed rotating your tires.
All right. Thank you for the tools, for the spot.
It's okay. Careful. Yeah, the one story I have is when we were doing my car on Pikes Peak for Blake, we were in such a big hurry, we took the car off of the blocks, off the jacks. We had 4 jacks, and we had these pucks. Well, we forgot the pucks in the car, and Blake did the whole run with it, the test run. And of course, the pucks stayed in because they're in pretty good. So, yeah, if you forget one, you'll lose it on the road. It won't hurt anything, but you'll feel like a dummy. Yeah. Dang, hit the center again, just make sure it's on. Okay, you're there. God darn, you're getting good. See, those wheels don't look so bad if you choose to take the covers off.
Yeah, if you cover
put
that up,
those little plastic caps out of the Model Y, you would buy a set
You can
that
buy it.
actually puts over the center hole and the caps.
I would like them too. Maybe one day I'll take them off for a while.
Yeah, maybe Santa Claus will buy you one. You never know.
What is it?
All right.
All right.
Yeah, you are done, my friend.
Thank you.
Okay, so out of all this, did you see it to be difficult to do?
With the right tools, not.
No, it didn't take long. I don't even know what time it is. It's 5:47 now. What was it, 20 minutes,
More than half an
25,
hour.
maybe half hour?
Yeah.
But it was your first time,
Right.
and you did the whole thing the last half. So good work.
Thank you.
All right, so now you know. Yeah, so now once you're done with the torque wrench, go ahead and loosen the lock nut up. Then turn this counterclockwise all the way down until there's no pressure shown, and where it just rolls around the shaft. Because we don't want to stretch this spring in here, right? So I usually run it up until it's just a hair of resistance, just like that, and tighten it up. And now it's ready for use next time.
Okay.